Hello, what is the value of m in this equation? 5 raised to power m plus 2 is equal to 10. Solution. Here we have 5 raised to power m plus 2 is equal to 10. If you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Five raised to power m multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 is equal to 10. And this is 5 raised to power m multiplied by 5 raised to power 2, that is 25, is equal to 10. Let us divide both sides of this equation by 25. 5 raised to power m multiplied by 25 divided by 25 is equal to 10. 5 raised to power m, this cancel this, is equal to 10 divided by 25, and this divided by 25 here. 5 here, 2, 5 here, 5. 5 raised to power m is equal to 2 divided by 5. Let us take the log on both sides. Log 5 raised to power m is equal to log 2 divided by 5. And this is m log 5 is equal to log 2 divided by 5. Here, that is, if you have log p raised to power n, this is n log p. Let's divide both sides by log 5 divided by log 5. This cancel this. M is equal to log 2 divided by 5 divided by log 5. Then if you have log a over b, this is equal to log a minus log b. M is equal to log 2 minus log 5 over log 5. M is equal to log 2 divided by log 5 minus log 5 divided by log 5. This log 5 cancel log 5. That is 1. M is equal to, if you have log a over log b, this is equal to log a base b. Here we have log 2 base 5 minus 1. And this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 5 raised to power m plus 2 is equal to 10. Then when m is log 2 base 5 minus 1. Here is 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 minus 1 plus 2 must be equal to 10. This is 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 minus 1 plus 2, that is plus 1, must be equal to 10. Then if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Here we have 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power 1 must be equal to 10. Then this is 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power 1 is 5 must be equal to 10. If you have b raised to power log c base b, this is equal to c. The whole of this is 2 multiplied by 5 must be equal to 10. 2 multiplied by 5, this is 10, is equal to 10, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.